My name is Donna. I had an FUT done last year, the beginning of November, so it's been a year. Along the front hairline, I was really receding back here in both corners, and it's grown in really, really well. I'm really pleased. 100%, it's given me back confidence. As a woman, for sure, when you're losing your hair, that's a really hard pill to swallow. But now that it's grown back, it's just given me so much more confidence, and I can do my hair in so many more different ways than I was able to do it before. Coming in, I feel like family, so I always say I'm family here. That's how they make me feel. The staff are incredible. Dr. Sharma, second to none, talks you through everything. The procedure went really, really well. Painless, it was painless. The recovery period, the first 5 days, 5 to 7 days, when you have to spray the solution on your scalp every hour, and then every hour and a half at night, that was a little challenging, but you know what? It was only, 5 to 7 days out of my life. It meant more to me to have hair than it was to sleep then. But it was good. I'm really, like I say, the results are amazing and they speak for themselves. Now that my hair has grown back and I'm back working, I get comments like, oh my God, your hair is so nice. It's so beautiful. You know what? I never really had compliments like that before. So that's really nice to hear.